Hi everyone, if you notice any type of pest in your garden, we can easily get rid of those new visitors. In this tomato plant, I recently started noticing these white mealybugs. These mealybugs attach themselves to the plant and they secrete a powdery wax layer which will attract ants. The ant feeds on this sticky sugary substance from these mealybugs. So, is there any way to get rid of these bugs without applying any harmful chemicals? One simple solution is to use soap. You can use any soap. You can use a dish soap or a shampoo or body wash, any kind of soap. All you have to do is just add few drops of dishwashing soap in a spray bottle and fill it with water. Spray the soap solution on the mealybugs and also spray on the entire plant. Always spray the soap solution on the entire plant. This way you will ensure that even if there are any other pests which are hidden in the plant which you did not notice before. Look at this, once the solution is sprayed, here comes the worm. These are called as cutworms. These worms will always be hidden in the backside of the leaves. These cutworms feed in the evening or in the night and it hides in the plant debris during the day. I noticed few holes in some of the leaves in my jasmine plant. I'm spraying the soap solution to the entire plant. When you spray it on a bushy plant, make sure you try to cover the entire plant as much possible. Here is another one. As you notice, when you spray the diluted soap liquid on the worm, the body goes into some chemical reaction and it dies in just less than 20 seconds. Spray the soap solution twice a week, and if you want your kids to get involved into the gardening, this is a great activity for them. This soap solution method you can control aphids, mealybugs, psyllids, spider mites, cutworms and many other pests. Once after I sprayed the soap solution, it took like 8 seconds or 10 seconds to die. On this tomato plant, the previous day I sprayed the soap solution over the mealybugs. I don't see any mealybugs attached to the stem anymore. This simple soap solution method effectively works. I would highly recommend using this soap solution method if you see few pests here and there. This method works wonderfully. As I said before, you can use any type of dish soap, shampoo or any liquid soap. If your plant is infected, say light to medium, in this case go with neem oil. Neem oil is non-toxic. So if it is a concentrate which you have bought, make sure you dilute it with the water, or you can moist a cotton ball with this neem oil and you can just rub on those infected parts. If the plant is heavily infected, I would recommend to prune those branches away and clean the infected area with a cotton ball dipped in the rubbing alcohol. Even dilute the rubbing alcohol and spray it on the plants. These three methods are highly effective for any kind of pest in your garden. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please put that in the comment box below. See you in another interesting video. Thank you. Bye.